Today we're doing a vegetable unboxing. Hello, I'm Tony. Welcome to Seasonal Intuition. The goal of this channel is to improve your cooking skills and intuition so you can stop following recipes and start following your heart. Let's take a look at our unboxing today. Oh my gosh, we've got a red leaf lettuce over here. It's big and crispy. And we've got a kale. I think this is a curly green kale. We've got celery, amazing celery. We have parsley, perfect parsley. We've got one apple. Oh, this is a bountiful box. We're gonna have to move it over. We've got a red onion for everyone to see. We've got oranges. I think these are our first oranges of the season. We've got one more apple. We've got another orange. We've got broccoli. Beautiful green broccoli. Oh, we've got turnips. I think these are Japanese Hokurei turnips. Let me know if these are some others. We've got carrots, beautiful carrots. We've got a squash of some sort. If someone knows what the squash is, please let me know in the comments. And we've got a beautiful apple. One more apple. What a bounty for the end of January.
Okay, I have a question. The red leaf lettuce, isn't it green? Isn't it like red tipped leaf lettuce?
That is an excellent call out. It is a red tip green lettuce.
So it should be green lettuce with red tip?
I think we should rename it green lettuce with red tip. I think that's an excellent idea.
Okay, since it's January, we're into the new year, I want you to sort these vegetables based on how likely you are to see them at the gym pumping weights.
That's really a creative way to do this. I definitely feel the apple has really outdone itself. It has definitely been pumping weights. These apples, they have a little bit of improvement to go.
I'm asking you to sort, not call out individual vegetables. Sort them. Most likely to be at the gym pumping iron on the left, least likely on the right.
This is so funny. I think I almost got it. This is a very creative idea.
Okay, so you're telling me that the leafy green vegetables are more likely to be pumping iron at the gym? Is that what I'm hearing? Or is that what I'm seeing?
I think so, because they have it happening. They're like blooming and bodacious and curly and perky, all the things you want to do in a gym.
And you think the turnips are like sad and flabby?
They're more delicate. They're more intricate. They go to the gym maybe once every 2 weeks versus I feel like the kale and the red tip green lettuce go every day.
So the turnip is doing like little baby yoga or Tai Chi in the park with old people?
Pilates
Can be hard.
Pilates can be hard. That is very true.
Okay, what's a recipe, something to say about the apple in the gym?
It's been pumping iron. That is one giant apple.
Okay. What's one thing from this box that you're excited to make a salad with?
I actually am really excited about trying a recipe with turnips. I don't think I have done a salad with any kind of turnips, so I'm curious how that's going to come out. If someone has a recipe, please let me know.
All right, anything else you want to say about this veggie box?
I hope you're enjoying your January and cooking your greens, crispy or raw, however you like them. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the day.